Boys, the day has finally come. I got my Unicomp keyboard. One of the best keyboards ever made. This company bought out IBM in the late 90s, and at the time IBM was making these Model M keyboards. They use a mechanical buckling spring switch to activate the keystroke. So basically you can hear that click is a spring that actually is buckling, just like the name suggests, and basically the bending of the spring is what creates the input for your computer. I really like this a lot. I'll just give you some key hits here. You can see it's pretty clicky, which is nice. I really like that sound. And you can see the lights up in the right hand corner here. There's your caps lock, num lock, and then scroll lock is over here. Scroll lock was used back in the early days for disk operating systems, and it basically prevents you from scrolling all the way down the page when you are at the command prompt, so that's pretty decent. But here is the old keyboard in the box that the Unicomp one came in, and this is a rubber dome keyboard, meaning that it's actually just a piece of rubber that actuates the key. But yeah, that's pretty much no good now, and we got my new keyboard. I love it. So I don't know if you can tell, but I really like it. I don't know what else to say. I just had it for about 10 minutes so far, and I have been doing some typing on it, and I'm not used to the actuation force necessary. These require 85 grams of pushing before they do actuate, and it takes a little bit of getting used to, and some people say that you actually become a better typer on this keyboard because you will learn not to let the key bottom out. So if we zoom in here, you can see that the key actuates before it's all the way down. I can press it more, but it actuates before it's even at the bottom. So, you know, you will learn not to press as hard, but only press enough to hear the spring buckle. I just love that sound. It's so 80s, like, you know, retro friggin', you know, awesome. But yeah. And it's pretty loud too. I'm sure if I was a expert typist, you know, pretty much everything in the room would just friggin' be vibrating because of all the clicking. But yeah, pretty good stuff. I love it.